The quality of your communication determines the quality of your life. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Ravindra Jain and I'm so excited for this online 5-day workshop. As in this, I'm going to share with you an exact blueprint on how to become an impactful speaker and an impactful communicator. After successful completion of my previous batches, I have come up with this online 5-day workshop. I have put in all my 8 years of experience into it. Now, why I'm so confident about this batch, about this course, 5-day online workshop? Because in the near past, I have produced results. I have seen my champions, my students, my mentees getting transformed each day. And let me guarantee you one thing, that you will see the transformation happening within you from day one. Yes, let me repeat that. From day one, you can see that transformation happening within you. So, what are you waiting for? If you really want to skyrocket your confidence, if you really want to become an impactful speaker and an impactful communicator, if you really want to become an extrovert personality, and if you really want to get that promotion in that job, guys, just enroll now. Just enroll now. This is a no-brainer offer. Enroll now in this 5-day online workshop and I'll see you there. Thank you.